Oh, it's a good fan competition between this old Galaxy fan here against a modern table fan that I'm going to put up. And the challenge for this video is to get the fan on high to make the blades on that box fan spin there. No, this fan's not going to turn on. I put this thing up so the head won't turn, and that's the challenge to see if I can do it here. So let's turn high. And we'll see how well it does. Well, it does very fast here. Let's feel the air movement. And it's time to get that other new fan I have. Input there. Alright, here's this new fan I have. Here's the new one. Let's get to see where it is. Okay, get to turn on high. Well, can do it. Yep, and it can do it as well. And this fan, it moves a lot of air. This is low here. We got the knob there to turn. And here's the modern fan. This is what the modern one is. I said that they changed the logo for this year on this fan. This fan's very quiet as well, so it is a great fan, even if it's all plastic. And the blades are spinning well. Let's go. Well, and there's a comparison between an old Galaxy table fan and a new Lasco table fan. Goodbye.